Today's episode of the More You Know podcast is brought to you by CrowdQuestion, a brand new social communication platform focused on connecting crowds to bring everyone closer to their community, as well as enhancing any occasion. Rather than being a social media platform focused on content and advertising, they're focused on communication and connection. Learn more about the platform and download the app free at crowdquestion.com.
I'm just trying to make it all make sense.
Today's
More
You
No
podcast.
Today I want to go through Richard Marcinko's 10 Commandments for Warriors, discussed in his book Leadership Secrets of the Rogue Warrior. So as I've previously discussed on the podcast, Richard Marcinko was a longtime Navy SEAL who founded SEAL Team 6, and SEAL Team 6 is one of the most specialized units in the United States military. They're the people who executed the mission for killing Osama bin Laden, so Richard understands what it takes to be a leader, as well as to be a soldier at the highest level of combat. Then once his time was done in the military, he used his expertise from the field to assist others in the business world. And what this means is, Richard knows how to excel in life to the highest level in general. He's aware of principles which you can apply that will benefit your life regardless of what you're pursuing. And with this being said, I now want to go through his 10 commandments for warriors. The first commandment is, I will always lead from the front, not the rear. Next, the second commandment is, I will treat everyone on my team alike. After that, the third commandment is, I will not ask others something I will not do first. Then the fourth commandment is, I shall punish my mind and body, and by doing it in training I know it will pay off when I have to execute. From there, the fifth commandment is, if you're working really hard, exuding as much effort as possible, you're doing it right. Next, number 6 is, I don't have to like it, I just have to do it. After that, commandment number 7 is, keep it simple, stupid. Then 8th is, never make assumptions. From there, 9th is then, don't focus on methods and instead focus on results. And finally, 10th is, we should do everything ethically in our power to win. Regardless of who you are, you want to excel in life, and to do so you must have the proper awareness, as well as instill the proper principles. This can be something you have no idea how to apply, but you can learn from others, and Richard Marcinko is no doubt somebody great to learn from. He's been in some of the most extreme combat situations both as a soldier and leader, and he's also been a long-time business consultant. So by learning principles from people like Richard, which I just went through, you can then apply them in your own life, and by doing so allow them to benefit your life, and also no doubt assist with making a tremendous impact in this world and crafting a life of significance. I hope this talk makes a positive impact in your life. Please subscribe to the podcast wherever you are listening or watching it. Check out other episodes. Leave a review. Follow the podcast on social media at More You Know Pod, and sign up for CrowdQuestion to ask me questions about the episode. Again, thank you for listening as we propel through podcasting with the More You Know.
I'm just trying to make it all make sense.
Today's
More
You
No
podcast.